What's going on, guys? We're going to do a little rig walkthrough. We're over here at Bulldog Canyon right now. Got my wireless mic up and running, so we're going to see how it works and give a little rig walkthrough. Let's get to it. All right, so starting out, we got a 2023 Colorado Z71, spec'd out to the brim. So it has all the electronics, heated, cooled seats and all that shit. Yeah, black, I don't know. So starting out the front, we got a ZR2 skid plate. So that boy bolts right up onto any trim pretty much. So painted that guy black like shit. That is the skid plate. Then we come around to the infamous downtime cut. So if you want to watch that video, definitely go check it out. It was my last video. I'll link it right here, up top somewhere, right there or there. Check that one out. All right, as it goes for the lift kit, we got a leveled up 2 in the front, 1 in the rear lift kit. And for the wheels and tire package, we got Method 305s. They're 17 by 8.5, 0 offset. But if you guys do get wheels for any of the lower trims, definitely don't get 0 offset. It's a little too skinny, so maybe like -12, -8 would be sick. But yeah, those are bronze 305s methods. And we got the good old Tacoma caps, you know, because we're better than the Tacoma. And then for the wheels, we got Falcon wildpeak RTs. They're 35s by 11.5s, and I love these tires. They're amazing. Super quiet on road and very grippy off-road. And then for the lights, we got some last fit pod lights, amber. These things are super bright. I'll show you guys right now. Those are the amber yellow ditch lights. So these things are sick. Go check them out. Link in the description. Coupon code downtime. Check these guys out. They make some super sick products. So we go into the inside here. We got the last fit 8-gang switch controller. This thing's sweet, so I can have like a strobing on my rear ditch, or I can have a strobing rear chase light right there on, as well as a normal running ditch light. And for the ditch light brackets, these are Colorado Canyon Enthusiast ditch light brackets for the 23 model. These things are super dialed. They don't move at all. And then for the floor mats, we got TripleALiners floor mats. Definitely go check those guys out. I'll link that into the description as well. These things are super nice, keeping your interior nice and clean, and they fit perfectly. So they do use the factory holes for your factory floor mats, which is nice, and they're all molded everywhere, so you ain't gonna get nothing dirty. All right, as it goes for my Overland Rack, I have a DV8 prototype right now, so they are going to release this hopefully soon. We're working out some kinks with it, but this rack is super nice. It's nice and short, so your tent doesn't look all goofy. Super high off the truck, so it keeps it kind of level with the roof line, and you're able to mount multiple things. So there's light mounts right here all the way through this way, also all the way through this way. So I got some lights coming that I'm going to be able to shoot off to camp right there. Then I have my Rego fire extinguisher mount. Oh shit, fireplace. The lid just fell off, so that's cool. We got the Rego fire extinguisher mount. This thing's nice. We're protecting the wildlife. You know, we're not starting anything on fire. So that's that. Then we have some last fit chase lights. These things are super sick. I have these on the flickering mode, so people can see me a lot better. I have the DV8 track, the DV8 up right there. And then onto the side, I have a Rotopax that's mounted onto the side. There's a little mount that comes with the rack, so you'll be able to mount any type of Rotopax or anything along the side of the truck. We got that. And then we have a all-top Overland Trasheroo. which I just have hanging off this back right here. Eventually, hopefully, I'll be able to mount it off the tailgate. But I have black paint, and it'll definitely rub the paint off of the tailgate. So we're gonna wait on that one. Coming around to this side, we have the Rome Vagabond tent. This thing's super nice. Any Rome product is badass. We have a Rome 4-foot awning. So this thing's nice. I'm actually looking for like a 270 in the future, but it's done well, you know, it's done well. All right, so under the truck, we have a MagnaFlow Overland Series exhaust. This sounds super nice. This makes the little 4-banger curb ski sound a lot better. And then we also have the leveled up shock guards that protect your shocks from the rocks. Well, flew the drone up in the tree right there. Guys for watching, I appreciate it. Sorry about the audio quality. My microphone was pretty trash. We're gonna have to upgrade that pretty soon, but I hope it wasn't too bad. Like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much. Peace out.